fixes.
Lutron turns the lights back on.
And makes your life easier.
Lutron started in 1959 when Joel Spear invented the solid-state dimmer in his New York City apartment. 2 years later, in 1961, he and his wife, Ruth Spira, founded the company.
Lutron can help your life be easier.
Being able to schedule lighting routines can also help you save time and money.
They also connect to different systems, enhancing your lighting environment.
Helping to save electricity.
They're high quality.
The process for creating a switch starts by populating a printed circuit board. From there, we're going to add the appropriate metal and plastic components. 100% of our products get end-of-line tested before they are packaged. From there, we'll send it to our distribution center.
My favorite workstations have to be the laser engravers. I think it's awesome that we can put any kind of text or art on buttons for our customers.
CNC machines, presses,
Special testers that aren't used in other areas.
What's so cool to me about manufacturing is seeing things start off as like an unfinished puzzle and then being built along the way to a completed product.
To me, what's so cool about manufacturing is being involved in development of new products and seeing the process come to life.
I love working in an area where I can handcraft products.
The cool thing to me about manufacturing is that we can always make every process better.
Career opportunities. There have been many opportunities to expand my knowledge.
My plans for career growth include continuing my education at college and upon completion, hoping to move into a technician role.
One of my favorite things that I've made at Lutron are the Elise line products. Watching those come together and then light up when they're working is very cool.
The best parts of my job is working with the engineering team and my team members to troubleshoot and improve new processes and existing processes with Lutron products.
But seeing them being put together, seeing them light up and watching them work is a very cool feeling.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.